firing incident at Ajnala in Amritsar at the campaign rally of the Congress candidate Gurjeet Aujla. Gurpreet is now joining us live with the latest. So Gurpreet, what exactly happened at the campaign rally, and also significantly the Congress candidate blaming the Aam Aadmi Party for the firing incident?
Well, yes, of course, we have seen this firing incident has become one of the major political issue in Amritsar. We have seen the Congress Neta and Congress leader and member parliament from Amritsar, Gurjeet Aujla. He has levelled serious allegation against Aam Aadmi Party. They are saying they have a hand behind this firing incident which has taken place in his rally. But at the same time, if we can talk about the police perspective, they say in the preliminary investigation, it is learned that this firing could have taken place because of some old enmity between the two groups. So let's wait for the police investigation. But now we have seen this firing which has taken place in Gurjeet Aujla Congress leaders rally that has already taken a political color, and allegation and counter allegation have already been started and have been exchanged between Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress. But now the police have already initiated this investigation. They have already recorded a statement of the victim in this case, and they are trying to investigate further to find out what was the real motive behind this firing and why this firing has been allowed to take place in the rally which was being conducted by the Congress leader. The main question which is coming out of this investigation, why these weapons are not to be deposited either to the police or to the gun houses during the election period. So there is need to even press for this investigation to find out how these weapons are being allowed to use in the rally when there is a model code of conduct has been imposed, and during that time the weapon holder, they are supposed to deposit their weapons to the concerned authorities.
But looking at the political context also, Gurpreet, the fact that the Congress candidate is saying that the Aam Aadmi Party is behind this incident is perhaps going to snowball into a big political flashpoint in Punjab as well. Of course, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress are fighting the elections jointly here in Delhi. But, that these sort of chinks or perhaps cracks within the bloc, very visible, with the Congress candidate now saying that it's the Aam Aadmi Party behind the incident.
Well, what we have learned from the Congress candidate and the people who are close to Congress candidate Gurjeet Aujla, they say they have seen Aam Aadmi Party's candidates, some relative in that rally, and that was the possible reasons why such type of allegation have been leveled by the Congress. At the same time, as I already told you, the police is saying they are trying to probe from all the other angles, and it seems it could be possible there is some old enmity behind this incident which has taken place, because it could be possible between the two groups there could be old enmity, and that's why this firing had taken place. Yes, of course, the point which you are discussing, one side we have seen Aam Aadmi Party and Congress jointly and having alliance at national capital. On the other hand, we have seen the level and cross level allegation and cross allegation are being exchanged between Aam Aadmi Party and Congress. This is not only in Amritsar, in most of the constituency they are hitting each other. So let's wait for the police investigation. After that, things will be more clear about this case.
Thanks very much for joining us with that update there.